So this is my version of a motorized can crusher I've built. See, it spins here. That. This motor was it's a 1/3 horse out of a furnace. This is just rebar welded onto this steel tube. I found all this at the scrapyard. Got paid for a couple pillow blocks here. That's about really all I paid for on this. Everything else was pretty much scrap. So I'll give you some measurements here. Tube is 8 inches long. Seven. I think it's about 6.5 high. Again, it's a 1/3 horse. Yeah. So this does tall cans and short cans. So let's start it up. And this is just a tube I found. I'm going to replace it eventually with some ABS. Okay, now I'll set you up and I'll run a few cans through it. Well, it gets them pretty flat. We all know, right? We all know the more space we can save, the more money we can make. Okay? Thanks for watching.